Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have another video on the website called Bucks Paradise, and this website has earned me a lot of money in the past, which I will show you once again later on in this video. But I want to go through this website and the different ways that you can earn money, because there's multiple ways that you can earn a lot of money. Now, when you first go on the website, which will be linked in the description below, you're going to have to log in via Facebook, so just click right there, and then sign into your Facebook account, and then just click on OK right here. And after like a couple seconds, then it's going to log into your account. Now, they say that they're a legal company, and they also say that they made around 1,600 payments already. And they post payment news on their news page. So you go to bucksparadise.com/news, and when you go on this site, you can see here that they have paid out many different people. So you can see that on July 10th, they have made over 1,580 payments, and they've paid a total of $140,000. And they also post their proof right here, so you can see that they've paid out amounts in the hundreds of dollars for each person. So that can be a lot of money. Obviously, you're not guaranteed to make this much money, because you can win or you can lose. But if you do get lucky and you win, then you can get a lot of money like these people have earned from this website. Now, the ways you can make money on Bucks Paradise, there are 3 different ways. And the first way is to play games. And when you play, you can win a lot of cash, but you can also lose. So once again, by playing, you go on these little cases here. You have to deposit money into your account first, and then you open cases and you can win different amounts of money. But you also have to bet a certain amount of money too. So you can lose money, but you can also make money if you are lucky and you win. And now, a few tricks that you can use to increase your winning chance is to not open the same case many times. So just switch around to different cases or different coins here. Most people open the cheapest one, so that may be why it's not as good. So you might want to move on to like the beginner one or the victorious one, etc. And you might get lucky on those. And also, once again, if you watch my first video, I won $177 by opening these coins here. And once again, I want to show you guys the proof. So you can see here on July 1st, which is when I made that video, you can see that I earned $177, which is really nice. And it's just proof that they do pay out if you win money. Now, besides the playing, another way that you can make money, and they say it's stable and guaranteed profit, is through their investment program. And they say that it can make you up to $5,000 a week. You have to invest between $1 and $100,000, and you can get 10% a month. And if you invest a minimum of $5 at bucksparadise.com, then you can get 10% per month plus a free PDF guide, which is called the Guide to the bucksparadise.com, and in which you can convert $5 into weekly payments of $5,000. So that's really nice. They say it's a good way to make money. So if you want to try that out, feel free. And in fact, I have also tried it out myself. So if you can look into my account right here, once it loads, you can see that in their investment program, I have invested $100, and I invested this on July 4th. And on July 18th, I was paid $10, which is 10% of the $100. And you can see on my Bitcoin account, so in my Coinbase account right here, on July 18th, 2018, they paid me about $10 in Bitcoin. So you can see that they also do pay out from their investment program. And I did get my $10, which was the 10% of the $100 that I invested in to Bucks Paradise. So, for example, if you invest $100 and you get $10 a month, then after 1 year, you'll also get back your $100 initial investment. So if you get $10 a month, that'll be $120 after a year, and then you get back also your $100 that you initially invested. So you end up with $220 that you get out of Bucks Paradise. And also, every time that you get payments from Bucks Paradise, you can record the payment proof and add it to a video on YouTube, like what I'm doing right now. And Bucks Paradise will give you $15 for creating a video like that. And you can also lead people and get 5% from all of their deposits. So like a referral link, it's another way to make money. You can see here they have an affiliate program. So basically you just share your link here and you get 5% of whatever your friends deposit. And if you share this investment opportunity on Instagram or Facebook or any other social media, then you can easily make around $2,000 a week is what they claim. Alright, so there's some other ways you can make money without spending a single dollar. So if you go here to their news website once again, so we'll go to bucksparadise.com/news, and you can see that they have a post here where Bucks Paradise gives free money to people. And what they say here is that you can make a post or a picture and add it to your Instagram or your Facebook page, and you have to have a minimum of 1,000 Facebook friends or 1,000 Instagram followers. That's their little caveat there. And then you have to add the website URL, which is bucksparadise.com, under the post or the picture, and then make a screenshot from your Instagram or Facebook and send this to their email along with your name, your last name, and your email from Bucks Paradise, and they'll fund your account with a free $5. So that's really nice, just really easy to do. You just have to add it to your social media and they'll give you free $5. And another thing that you can do is you can go to bucksparadise.com and get live cash daily. Just write that on any part of your body, which, okay, that's a bit strange, I guess, but why not? And you add that to your Instagram or your Facebook page. And if you need to have, once again, 1,000 friends or followers, and then you add the website URL, name, last name, email, send that to the Bucks Paradise Gmail account, and they'll give you a free $7 for that. So that's another way you can make money. And once again, like I said, if you win cash on Bucks Paradise or you get an investment payment, then you go to your PayPal, Bitcoin, or whatever account you got your payment in, record the payment proof, and make a video and add it to your social media, and make your video name whatever they say right here, and then they'll pay for that video. So just contact them, send them your video link or URL, and they'll give you your account a free $10 for that. So once again, these are easy ways you can make money without having to actually spend any money in the first place. So there you go. And once again, you can also do an affiliate link. So you can promote it, and when someone signs up under your link and makes a deposit through Bitcoin, I'm guessing, then you get a free 5%. So for instance, if you get 1,000 people to sign up under your referral link and each of them deposits $50, then you earn $2,500. Okay, so the best way to deposit funds is you can use Bitcoin right here, because you can see here that you get up to a $50 free bonus if you deposit between $250 and $500 using Bitcoin. Now, the best place to buy Bitcoins are either Coinbase.com, which I use myself, as you saw in my proof earlier that I used Coinbase as my wallet. So you can see here, there's Coinbase. You can buy Bitcoin from here, or you can also go to localbitcoins.com. And once this loads, you can see here, this is another exchange that you can use to buy Bitcoin. Or you can just go on Google and just type in buy Bitcoins online, and you can see many different places to buy Bitcoin. And finally, if you sent money to Bucks Paradise and it didn't appear on your balance, which is right here in the top right corner of the website, so you just need to contact them via a support ticket or by email, and they will credit the money to your account. So yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. I just wanted to inform you guys about some of the different other ways to make money besides playing the games, like the investment program, which you can see I've already earned $10, which is my 10% cut for investing $100. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximizing your income online and at home.